everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I am going to open something from my creative scrapbook, my creative scrapbook. I've been getting this for a couple months now. If I remember right, I don't always publish these or post these because I keep intending to make something and I don't. So I'm going to post this so you can take a look at what's in it. And then I'm also going to do my best at actually creating something with it this month for you. Before the end of the month, before I get the next kit. So let's see what's inside. They always send some pretty cool project suggestion ideas. So this is a really cool layout that you can do with the supplies that are inside. Very cool. And then it tells you a little bit about them, their Facebook group, and their flyer. So you get that every month. And then you get some awesome supplies. They're always high quality, beautiful details. I love the foil details that they usually include. I've just gotten pretty busy lately, but I haven't been able to create something with it. The other problem is I love this stuff, but most of my creations are inside an art journal. So having the 3D elements doesn't work as well. I do try to use it, but those work better for a cover or a canvas or a piece of wood, just something that isn't an art journal page. So although I love the supplies, I do tend to put it off because of that. So I'm going to try to get better at that. So bear with me, but let's take a look at what's in this month's kit. I'm super excited because I'm already seeing some beautiful butterflies, and as you know, I love butterflies. I love dolphins more, but I seem to see butterflies in scrapbooking all the time, so I lean towards using butterflies as embellishments in my journal pages. So first up is some super cool flowers by Prima Flowers. 18 piece. If you can't tell, the details of these flowers are so cool. They've got this shimmer. I'd say it was a sparkle, but it's more of a shimmer. Let's see if I can get you a good focus on that. Oh, I just messed it up. There we go. Take a look at that. How pretty is that? And then next up we have some ephemera. I love the ephemera, as I just stated, because I can put them in my art journals and it doesn't take away from the width of the art journals. So let's take a look at what ephemera we have in here. Beautiful butterfly, like I said. Wild as the wind. Look at the detail on that. See that foil? How pretty is that? Adventure. It looks like there's only one of each of these. Actually, yeah, just one of each. I love the color scheme. It's kind of like an antique rose. And then that makes the foil element kind of a rose gold. So very pretty. You can see that shimmer. Blessed has that too. You are some kind of wonderful. Bliss. Love yourself. Beauty. Love. Love rose. Teeny tiny butterfly. I do tend to cut the white out on some of these, like the butterfly, because I like them more clean without the border, but I don't think I'll be doing that for this one. It's kind of small. Love, beauty, some more gorgeous flowers, butterflies, explore, cute little tag, adventure, adored. See that word? There you go. More flowers. More tickets. Tickets. Another butterfly. Oh, look at that butterfly. Three for 25 cents. Faith. Lovely. Oh, glorious. Tags. More tags. Another butterfly flew out. It's got that gold foil on there. Challenge yourself. Very nice. Okay, so that was the ephemera. Looks like there's more flowers. So we've got these beautiful flowers in green. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of an antique-y green as well. And they have that shimmer. As well as, these ones don't have a shimmer, but they have the antique pink and peach colors. Chipboard stickers, just kind of ephemera. It's just got a thickness to it. Beautiful. Matches the butterflies perfectly. Some of the tags are exactly the same. And then there's 2 sheets. Setbacks are actually stepping stones. I love that. Life tip, do you? Looks like this month we have some stamps. They are mink stamps. I don't tend to use the word stamps as much, that are like happy birthday, thank you, things that are more for cards, but let's take a look at what's in here. They are not wanting to come out of the packaging, so that's going in recycle. Just because, thinking of you, best, so sweet, friend, thanks, hello, celebrate, kind, happy birthday. So these are very much card statements as well. But I'll probably use some of them, like just because maybe, and sweet, and kind. Anyways, so there's the stamps. She also occasionally puts in stencils, which I absolutely love. Stencils. And this month, there's a 3-pack of stencils. So you've got this one, got some leaves, and then you've got some pretty flowers. And I like that there's hole punches in this, so I can just add it to a 3-ring. Just a ring to keep it all together. So now let's look at these beautiful cards. The best thing about these cards is that usually there's one side with some foil enhancements, and then a lot that you can even cut up and use as ephemera as well if you'd like. So this one, and then they are double-sided, which is actually a negative for me because I can never decide which side to use. So there you go. How lovely is that? It's pink brick, distressed. It's very nice. And then it shows you actually what's on the other side is at the bottom typically. Okay. And these are Prima. She doesn't always use Prima, but these, nope, there's a couple different kinds of paper in this one, so take a look at that. Rose gold. I love that it's rose gold this month. moment matters. Very pretty. So this one actually matches on this side. So that's good. That will help me in my decision on which side to use. Actually, both sides match. So that's nice. I got 2 pieces of this one. Looks like these 2 match as well. Let's see if the other side matches. She doesn't always give you 2 pieces that are exactly the same. Sometimes they're slightly different. Sometimes the sides don't match. So this will actually make things a lot easier for me since both those match. Oh, look at this. This is gorgeous. I actually make art journal pages that are actually pretty similar to this, with the writing in the background, but this writing is rose gold. And then those butterflies are gorgeous. I'll definitely be using that side. And this is pretty too. Same brick, only it's kind of got a green antique-y tint to it versus the pink. Let's see if we get 2 pieces of this one. That'll be awesome. This one's really cool too with the peachy roses, peachy pinky roses, and then the background. There's this one. Look at that butterfly. Let's get a close-up of the butterfly if we can. Get out of that shadow. Very nice. Some wood in the background. Nice. That's the peachy one. Not the butterfly one, but the peachy one. So that is nice. This one is 49 Market. There's only one of those. It just feels really thick. A 49 Market. So there you go. I got one of those, 2 of these. So these 3, I each got 1. And then these, I got 2 of. All 3 of these I got 2 of. Oops, not this one, sorry. All 3 of these I got 2 of. This one I got 1. So 4 I got 1, and then 6 here, but they're duplicate. Which is perfectly cool with me because those 3 make it easy on which side to use. These 3, not so much. So this one I'll probably use this side. The butterflies, well, I gotta use the butterflies. They're gonna be my favorite. That one as well. So there you have it. My creative scrapbook. I was gonna say stamp book. My creative scrapbook for the month of August. Super excited to create with this. I can definitely do some pretty cool art journals. Possibly a canvas board. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite part was in the comments. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I will definitely go ahead and post this and see what I can do about getting this actual creation of this posted this month for you as well. Thanks for joining.